And I've thought, if we ever find a lady, hello lady!
I'm on the new kayak. It's going on its own. I've never been on a pedal drive before. It's a beautiful morning. I'm going really far. First time, might as well. Let's go. All right, I've officially made it to the Sabine Pass Jetties in a kayak. This is officially the furthest point of land on the Texas upper Gulf Coast. Right there. And I'll tell you what, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Gosh, doggy. Whole lot of mosquitoes over there, man. Oh, this is rad. This is so cool. I can't believe I'm out here in this. Don't mind me, I'm just a crazy loon trolling in my kayak out here at the jetties. Going by this thing with a Rapala on. Don't catch the bottom. Pretty sure this is it. This is where the current's bad. This is where you could hit a rock if this is not the actual boat cut. I am pushing as hard as I can with this on 5. So let's hope I don't flip right here. Current is definitely kicking. Don't know where it's gonna take me. Oh man, this is not cool. Alright, we made it. Whew. This is even kind of scarier on this side when it's calm. Whoa, these swells. Dude, I've never been out here in a kayak. I've never seen anybody out here in a kayak, which is tells you something. Well, there's a bunch of little fish. They're hardheads. My nemesis. Tyler's nemesis. What is it, a catfish? No doubt. Come on, guys. That's not good. Alright, I literally hit the big rock with that cast. If I don't get a bite, I'm out. Couldn't get any closer than that. Come on, give me one fish at the jetties. I came all the way out here, guys. I know you owe me nothing, but I would like a fish. Come on, guys, y'all just want to eat my shrimp. It's old Ham here. Here to feed you shrimp, fellas. Here to talk to myself in front of other fishermen so they're worried about me. Don't mind me, fellas. Just having a conversation with myself. It's just me, Ham. I felt a wiggle on my pole. What was that? Oh no. When I don't catch fish, I turn into new characters. I don't really like this old weird man. Well, I don't mind if you don't like me, fella, but we're here to fish, okay?
And I've thought, if we ever find a lady, hello lady!
Through the boat cut, just trying to get through the boat cut. Paddling as hard as I can with my feet with the motor going on 5. legs hurt. Dude, I've barely gone anywhere. Oh, I think the tide's going out now and the wind's coming against me. So this is gonna suck. I'm definitely gonna see what this battery's made of. Oh man, I can barely pedal. All right, I'm shutting up. Oh, he swam toward me. Dude. All right, one more, you guys, and I'm out of here. I just threw this 3-ounce weight onto my leader with a swivel and this huge live bait hook because I got a huge live bait right here. There we go. All right, saw this on MDLR fishing where he cut off the tail so that they couldn't really swim a bunch. They just flap around and really make for a good presentation, and they can't get away too good. We're about to find out if it works for me. All right, so I went all over the map to come back to this place that I usually could just fish from land. For some reason, in the dead of summer, in the middle of the day, there's always a couple trout right here. I don't know why, but it always happens. It'd be really cool if it happened again. While not dying. That's usually part of my deal. I prefer when I'm fishing. Oh, dang it. Too soon. Look at my bobber dancing. What's going on, fella? Oh, got him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a really good one. And I'm about to crash. That's a nice trout. That's probably 17. Very heavy. Gorgeous. He took that all the way. We'll be keeping him no matter what now because he's messed up. Whew! Little snaggle tooth, buddy. Nice. Don't come off of these messed up fish grips, please. Actually got to put a fish in the cooler on the kayak for the first time. This is what it's all about right here. This is my main squeeze, man. This is what I was looking forward to the most. Straight into the ice. Nice. No measurement needed. He's between 15 and 20. I would bet anything on it. Look how gorgeous. That feels like a good one. And wait for it. I'll say it. And the hard head. Dude, look at that croaker. Now this is what I remember big old croaker being. Dude, I haven't seen one this size and I don't know how long. Gorgeous croaker. Oh my goodness. Tempted to keep you, but I love y'all so much. Haven't seen y'all in so long. I'm gonna let you live so you can make it to babies. There you go, he's wiggling. No pictures, please, he says. Got him. Gorgeous little red. Uh-oh, this line's over here. Oh! Oh, that's what it was hung on. Come on, Hal. Why is it over there, though? Oh, you ever been surfing, bro? Dude, don't take my line like that, man. You have a heartbeat, and I thought you were a big old red. Oh, man, gotta love croaker. Best fighters for the class. Sure was. Little guy, just chilling with it. Ah, there you go. Oh! That's another little one, it feels like. Dude, the croaker in here are crazy. I love you, my God loves you. Love yourself, love others. Don't forget to pray. Ham fishing. I'm gonna pray for my safety here in just a second, actually. I don't pray to catch fish. I don't think God cares about us catching fish. He cares about our well-being, spiritually and physically, but mostly spiritually. That's all. God bless. See you later. Ham fishing out.